Guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna teach CFOP. So what CFOP is cross. It's cross, and so C for cross, so cross, and then F2L, which is first two layers, and then OLL, which is orienting the last layer, and then PLL, which is permutation of the last layer. So this is an F perm, which is part of PLL. So the way I do an F perm is a T perm. I'll put the algorithm for T perm in the description down below, and also F perms, E perms, and etc. Only the ones that I use. And then after doing the T perm and an F perm, you want to do an H perm, which is pretty easy. One of the easiest algorithms for PLL. So it goes like this. Okay, now let's get onto the tutorial. Okay, so now we have a fully scrambled cube. So now we have to find one edge piece. So one over here. Want to bring it over to the center or the face that it needs to go to. Now we have another red edge needs to go over here. So bring this edge up. So guys, I'm only gonna use 3x3 notation. If you guys don't know how to do 3x3 notation, or you don't know what 3x3 notation is a bit confusing, just a little bit for beginners like me. But I'm gonna put the link for the video in the description, just like all the OLL algorithms for orientation of the last layer and PLL algorithms. So yeah. So now face this place where the edge piece is in. So do R X prime, which is face to the top, F L prime, U L. Then now you can just bring this edge back into the place where it will go. Then try doing this face too. So F L prime U L. Now what you want to do is do M2 U2 M2 U2. Now the cross is finished. Now what you want to do is find a corner piece. So one is over here. So you want to take that out because it's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be over here, because blue and white. So over here it's also blue and white. So what you want to do is face over here and do U prime R prime U R 2. Then what you want to do is face this part over here where it needs to go to. Then do U prime R U. Then now we have one corner piece over here. So there's one edge piece here, and that's supposed to be the edge piece. This corner piece is supposed to be paired up with. So face it like this and do U R prime U2, or just do U or U prime. It's optional. It depends on where you do it, because if one of the corners are solved and you paired it up like this, it's gonna do the wrong thing. So what you want to do is hold the edge piece just below the one, no, this corner piece just below the one where it needs to go in. This F2L pair needs to go over here. So hold the corner piece just below that corner piece where the F2L pair needs to go in, and do this algorithm. Put one finger on there, then face it like this. So do R prime U R U prime. Then now we need to bring this F2L pair, so one bar, so 1 by 1 by 2, and then bring this F2L pair down. So face the place where you did the cross and do this algorithm. U R prime U prime R. Okay, so now we have one 2 by 2 block. See there? Okay, so now we have one bar over here where it's not supposed to go in. So face it like this, so this is the bar, and do U prime R prime U, then do X, which is face to the bottom, then do R prime, then do X Y prime. So now we have the cross over here again. So now we're gonna make another 2 by 2 block, which is gonna make a 2 by 2 by 3. So now let's do this algorithm like the one that I showed you. So U R prime U prime R. Now we have this 2 by 2 by 3. Now we have to make another F2L pair. So we have one edge, corner piece over here. So face it like this and do U prime R prime U R2, and then do X prime. No, X2, sorry. Then do X prime. So what you want to do is bring this corner piece into here. So face it like this and do U prime R prime U R. Then now look for the edge piece that's supposed to be over here. So it's over here. Then you want to bring it over to here on the up face. So face it like this and do F prime U F. It's that easy. Okay, so now you want to do U again, and then face this corner piece so that you can take it out. So do R U R prime U2. Okay, so now hold this part over here. This tutorial is not for speed solving, so do not do this when you're doing speed solving because no one does that. Okay, so you want to bring this corner piece over here to pair it up. So face it like this and do R prime U R U prime. Then do X, which is face to the bottom, and do U R prime U prime R. Now we have one more edge pair to fix. So wait, let me give you an example of one of the cases that I keep going through. So this is the edge, this is the corner piece where it's supposed to be paired up with. So face it like this and do R U R prime U2, or just do U or U prime. It depends. Okay, so hold it like this and face it like this. So do R prime U R U prime, or do U2. Depends also. So you want to bring it like down over here to make another F2L pair, and do U R prime U prime R. So here's one problem that I also get to. So this case is like when you have to flip an edge. So this is the edge you have to flip. So you can do it like this, but it will mess up one of the edges. So it's best that you do an edge piece that's already what do you say, flipped in the wrong way. It's in the correct place, yeah, but it's in the wrong orientation. So what you want to do is this algorithm. So do lowercase r, like the normal r, like capital R, then U R prime U, lowercase r prime U2 R U R prime U prime, then do R2, and then doing U2 is optional, so U2. But the way I did it actually messed it up, so I'm more comfortable in doing it without talking. So take out that, bring this back inside, so face it like this, R prime U R U prime. Okay, so now find that corner piece, then now you have to bring this corner piece inside. So R prime U R U prime. Now you have to find that edge piece, take it out. So R U R prime U prime, then bring that edge piece over here and take the corner piece and pair them together. So do R prime U R U prime, or do U2, it depends, like I said. So now do U R prime U prime R. Now we have to do that edge flip algorithm. Just watch me. Okay, so now when I do OLL, there's obviously gonna be some trial and error when I do it, because I'm a beginner cuber. So this algorithm that I use the most is lowercase f R U R prime U prime, and then lowercase f prime. Then just do that over and over again in the correct spot, and then it's okay. So now we have two flipped edges, and that algorithm that I showed you, I will put it in the description. All the algorithms that I use, except for the ones for F2L, I'm gonna put it in the description down below, because it's more useful than those F2L algorithms, because you can get any case in F2L. So yeah, so now do this algorithm. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys one algorithm that I haven't used yet, and that algorithm is used to flip these two corner pieces. It has to be faced like this, so the corner piece is over here and here, and the color of the face on top is supposed to be here. So you can't just flip it like that, because that's not allowed in cubing. So what you want to do is R prime F R B prime, R prime F prime R B. So now we have to do PLL now. So also in this stage of CFOP, there's obviously also gonna be some trial and error. So we have this pair over here, a pseudo block, I think that's what it's called. At least that's what I saw from Perm's video, at least from the thumbnail. Don't judge a cover by its don't judge a book by its cover. Okay, so now we have to bring this part over here, this 1 by 2 by 2 over here, so this part is done. So the way to fix this A-perm, it's one of the A-perms. There are AA perms and AB perms. So wait, let me check which one is this one, which case this is. So wait, please. So this is an AB perm. So the way I solve A perms, it doesn't matter what kind of AA perm or AB perm it is. Doesn't matter what A perm it is, just follow what I do. So face this part over here. So this whole part is not fixed. So what you want to do is find this part over here where the rest of the face is solved except for this one. Then turn it over here and do Y, and then do a UB perm. Don't do UA perms because that's not gonna work. Okay, at least from what I've done. So do a UB perm. I'll put the way to do a UB perm. And if there is a bar over here, make it face the place where it's supposed to go, so over here. But if there is no bar over here, then do Y and do another UB perm. But in this case, there's no there is a bar. So what you want to do is fix this case. This is called a J perm. So this is a JA perm. So a JA perm is the case where you have to switch these two edges and these two corners. These two edges and these two corners. So what you want to do is face it like this. You can do this with any J perm. So do the T perm. I'll put the algorithm in the description. So do this. Then now find the faces where it has this cycle. So now what we have to do is UB perm. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll make a video on PLL algorithms maybe. And thank you guys for watching. Bye. But just to let you know, I won't do all the PLL algorithms, just the one that I use. Okay, so bye.